Welcome to Naomi's Filipino kitchen. Today's recipe is Escabeche Tilapia, sweet and sour fried fish. Here are the ingredients of today's recipe: tilapia, garlic, brown sugar, soy sauce, cooking oil, onion, red bell pepper, salt, vinegar, ground black pepper, and ginger. Now let's start cooking by heating oil in the pan. Before frying, let's prepare the fish by rubbing salt on the skin. Now the fish is ready to fry. I'm already preheated some oil in the pan. Now we can put the fish. And let's start frying. Be careful, it's going to be very hot. Fry it in a low heat. My mom used to say, once the oil is quieter, that means the underside of the fish is now cooked. Now let's turn the other side to be fried. Perfect. Oh wow, look at that. Awesome. For those who don't trust my mother's advice, we fry the fish for 10 minutes on each side on a low heat. The fish is now ready, crispy on both sides. We now take off the heat and put aside. In a separate pan, pour the cooking oil, about 3 tablespoons. Now the oil is hot, we can now saute off the garlic until it turns golden brown. Now add the ginger. Mix well together. Smells lovely. Now add the onion until it turns soft. Give it a bit stir. Now the onion is soft. Add the red bell pepper. Give it a stir. Now pour the vinegar and add the brown sugar. Add the soy sauce and bring it to boil. Add a pinch of ground black pepper and a pinch of salt. Give it a stir. Mix well together. Now move all the ingredients in one side of the pan so that the fish can bathe in vinegar. Now let's put the fish. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, Escabecheng Tilapia is now ready. Serve with rice and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching. See you soon.